Welcome to the seventh installment. This is definitely installment number 7. We're getting up there. We're getting to the end of everything. Number 7 is going to be about this company called Postmates. Postmates is basically one of those. Well, it's I don't want to say ride share because you don't actually pick up people. It's more or less one of the. It's in the gig economy. We have so many levels to our economy, and one of these economies or one of these levels is called gig. Gig. Gig is kind of like, oh, if you want to use the new term for it, it's a side hustle economy. So with this side hustle economy with Postmates, you basically sign up on your app. You put in all your information. They do a background check. They ask you what kind of car you have. Make sure you have a driver's license. You have to be able to drive, and you got to be of age. I think it's 18. And basically, what you do is you input all the information. They set you up an account, and you go and you drive and you pick up items at various stores. Mostly food, kind of like Uber Eats or DoorDash, or any of those other um, gig economy operators. But the only difference is with Postmates, and that's why I wanted to, really do one of these series or one of these videos on Postmates is because Postmates, I would say, is the best out of all of them. You don't just pick up food with Postmates. You also pick up, oh wow, anything like cigarettes, alcohol for people, for customers. You pick up clothing out of the clothing stores. Whether if it's high end off of Rodeo Drive in Los Angeles, or if it's Marshalls, or what have you. There's just it's endless. You go to Petco. I've seen people go to Petco and get stuff for their pets. On the monetary side, Postmates pays very well. I mean, you get great you get a great compensation for driving distance, and you get a compensation for waiting at these stores for whatever reason. Um, and then of course you keep 100% of the tips. So if you're tipped $100, you keep $100. So this is the way for you to make money, and this is the seventh out of 12 in the series. This is 7 of 12 in the series on how to make money.